Thank you so much.
The Aro USA Convention is a renowned cultural celebration that took place in New Jersey, USA during the Memorial Day weekend from Friday, May 24th to Monday, May 27th, 2024. This is a biennial to bring Umu Aro living in the US together to celebrate the rich cultural heritage of Aro Oke Igbo. The event was indeed colorful as Aro sons and daughters stormed the event ground in their well-adorned Umu Aro cultural attires, in addition to the most amazing display of Arochukwu cultural dances. Adamazi TV is delighted to share highlights of this year's Aro USA 2024 convention with you. Hope this sheds more light on this amazing event that happens every other year as we look forward to 2026 and the years to come. Sit back and enjoy the video, and please do us a favor by clicking the subscription button on this video, and also do well to like, share and drop a comment in the comment section. Keep watching Adamazi TV, great promoter of Africa's cultural heritage.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Going to new visits. Unfortunately, that they are executives, not permanent to why? So, any other visits from us, we were willing to do that. So this is how what happened so far. The person has said that if anybody has any patient from the brand as for women, how many so just sometimes family for president doesn't return. When you meet your president, please let us know. And I hope that president will do that. But he responded timely and promptly. He did that a couple of times first. He always will come to our rescue. They will.
Thank you very much. We appreciate that. Because I'm an Ozzy from the young professional youth.
It's their turn now.
Yes.
They are from the airport. That's why I really I'll take a back by the fellow. We'll be big interest in this already.
Arochukwu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Arochukwu, very wonderful entertainment. Story culture. Please. Thank you, Mr. DJ. Thank you. Thank you so much.